Hi everybody, welcome to the new video. We developed this video game in scratch.mit.edu. It is developed as an educational tool to help students learn the fundamentals of coding while engaging with real-world issues. The game is centered around the theme of environmental sustainability and responsible waste management. Players are challenged to sort different types of waste correctly and make eco-friendly choices within a virtual world. Towards the end of this video, we have also included a snippet of the code and the link to Scratch where the game is uploaded. Now let's play the game.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you doing?
I am okay. You won't believe what I just found out.
Really?
There's so much we can do to help the environment. And I'm about to dive into some real action.
I'm really interested.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning. Wow, this forest looks amazing.
Have you noticed something?
Something doesn't feel quite right? What's going on?
The forest is in trouble. Pollution, deforestation, and waste have started to take their toll on the environment.
How can we help?
Okay. Start by cleaning up litter and planting trees.
It's my pleasure.
I will demonstrate to you. Water bottle is recyclable. Any trash, you can put into the trash bin. All the food waste goes into the organic bins. Paper let's put into paper and cardboard bin.
Talk you.
Now let's do a quiz.
Where should we go to get to the forest?
Just head down this path.
Thank you for coming to help us.
Wow, these changes feel so rewarding. It's soon become a desert. We should plant some trees.
You are right.
Let's set up a water bowl.
Great job. A small gift for you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.